Here we have a 1949 Smith Corona Sterling. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. It's a good opportunity to find one on sale. Smith Corona Sterling makes a great typewriter, and this one I'm going to put on sale because it doesn't have a case and it has a little bit of scuffs, so it's not as pretty, but it still works just as good as the others. The margins are right behind the paper here, so I like to have them at the beginning and the end of the page, like so. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double or triple, you just flip this switch back and that'll skip 2, and back one more will skip 3. We're going to keep it on single for now and go to the next line. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. Type a sentence in red on the next line. To switch from black to red, you flip this switch down. It's got a blue, a white, and a red marker. I really like Sterlings. They feel really good, smooth. This is like as close to luxury as you can get with the Smith Corona, and the print's really nice too. Daily typing machine, will last forever if you take care of it. So I like to say that you got to go vintage if you want a machine that's reliable. Anything brand new will break pretty much instantly and it'll be worthless. You got to get these old ones. They're made in America, made with all metal and steel. They won't jam up on you, and they'll last forever if you take care of it. To pull the paper out easy, you flip this switch forward and it pulls right out. Also allows you to load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a backspace on the left side here. That works good. It's got a tab function to set the tabs. This paper tray flips down. There's little inserts right here, and you can put them anywhere on this. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inserts in here, and they'll stop at each one of them when you hit the tab, just like that. So from the front, just hit this tab button right here. It'll stop at each one of those. Works great. It's got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left side. To clear that, you just hit the shift button again. Open the hood. We got a touch control right here. L all the way up to H. The higher you go, the higher the tension when you hit the keys. I like it on low. It's got a ribbon direction control right here, right behind this backspace. Right now we have a brand new ribbon, and it's all on this side, so it needs to pull to that side, and it's going clockwise. Now if you want to switch the direction, you just flip that switch up and you start pulling counterclockwise to that side. But if you have the ribbon pulling in the wrong direction, you get to the end of this, it'll jam up your vibrator and it'll seem like your typewriter is malfunctioning. You just need to know, make sure your ribbon direction is pulling in the right direction. All that works good. You got a carriage release on each side here. Allows you to control the carriage freely. Works great. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.